Okay, so they're all going to be a little trialsome, you know, but this is the top passenger side of the BBK Shorty headers. Okay, now there's one bolt or one exhaust manifold stud that it's going to be pretty difficult. You won't be able to get it from the bottom, so you're going to be scratching your head. How am I going to get this? Well, here it is. You take your cold air intake off your tube, so you got a little bit of a spot right there, and here you see your header, right? Now if you look, where is it? I lost it here. There it is. Okay, if you could see, where did it go here? It's hard to see with your phone. There, you see it right there? Oh, let me just try to put my phone, my hand here. Hi, just recording something. Okay, there it is. You see that nut right there? That's the only one you can't access from the bottom. The only way you're gonna get it, so the 1/2-inch wrench, open end, not with this side, like this. So you're gonna fish it in here, like this. Kind of doing this blind, but there, I got it. Okay, just like that. And you're gonna crank it. Then you're gonna flip it around. Now the swivel is good because you can get around it. You're gonna get right down there. I'm doing this one hand. You know, I can't, and kind of blinds, but whatever. You guys get the picture. Here. And you crank it. You crank it as much as you can. Let me increase there. See if I can, there. Okay. Right there. So you just take it like this. You use the knuckle on it. You get there, and you just keep going. Keep at it until you tighten it up as best you can. But that's a tip.